Back again, Elijah's Auto Repair. So today we're working on something a little bit different. This almost ruined my whole weekend. Today we're working on my Sea-Doo, and we're at the lake right now. And I was on the lake. My Sea-Doo died out on me. I was having problems on the lake with it starting. Not only with it starting, it was dying out. And what I found, I came over here and I checked. This is the cover here. This is the cover for the motor. And if you look in here, okay, there's some connections. There's one here and one here. I checked these connections. They were right. They were tight. And I was getting something like a loose connection. So anyway, I pulled this off here and I found a relay. This relay here controls pretty much everything from the starter to the ignition to everything like that. And I heard this relay just clicking and clicking and clicking as I would try to start it, and I was died out in the middle of the lake. So I went ahead and took it off. And when I took it off, this thing was like super hot. You couldn't even really touch it. But it's just a 5-prong relay here. And it goes in right there. And here's the one. Here's the original one. I replaced it. I guess this is just like a cheap one that comes with the Sea-Doo. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys the part number here. I picked it up at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It was like 20 bucks. Here's the part number here. You could get this at O'Reilly Auto Parts. This is for 2023 Sea-Doo Spark 3-Up. Or probably any Sea-Doos. So if you're getting a dying out issue and don't want to restart, or it just dies out on you in the middle of the lake, there's a relay right here. You're going to want to replace that. But yeah, this almost ruined my weekend. But thanks again, Elijah's Auto Repair. Please subscribe to my channel. We're doing free tool giveaways. Whoever's subscribes to the channel, you're automatically entered in the free tool giveaway. We're going to be doing that pretty soon. Thanks again, Elijah's Auto Repair.